read. Bring. It says like this. 21. Because although they knew God, they did not glorify him as God, nor were thankful for all what he did to them, but became fertile. Who became fertile? You. In their thoughts. So they know God, they want to worship God, but they have fertile things in their thoughts. What is that thinking they have that is fertile, is bad? Is this: and their foolish hearts were darkened. Why? They are told God can never be man. They don't want to understand. Professing to be wise, they say they are wise, but they became fools. Why did they become fools? Not me, it's the Bible. And changed the glory of the incorruptible God. And they changed the glory of the incorruptible God into an image made like corruptible man. So why should you change the glory of God into an incorruptible man? Good spirit, Jesus says. And who should worship him? Should worship him in spirit and truth. So God says in the Holy Quran, chapter 21, verse 23. He says like so. 22. If there were two gods, can there be two presidents in Uganda? If there are two presidents in Uganda, what will happen? If there are two presidents in the US, what will happen, my dear brother? So if Jesus is God, and we have God the creator, because Jesus said he did not create. Open your Bibles. The book of Matthew 19 verse 4. Jesus says like this. What does Jesus say? Jesus says, and you have to remember that God who created you as a man and a wife, that God, it's English, we learned it under a tree, their mother tongue is English.